2023-295 for third and final reading. And for this, please recognize the author of the said ordinance, the Honorable Christine Tingting S. Garin, to move for the third and final reading or approval of the said provincial ordinance.
The Honorable Vice Governor is hereby recognized.
Thank you, Board. Your Honors, I move to approve for the approval of Provincial Ordinance Number 2023-295 entitled an ordinance granting incentives and resolution of commendation to individuals who garnered the top 10 highest places in the board examination, bar examination, and other national licensure examinations for third and final reading.
For those who are in favor.
Mr. Chair,
Yes.
on motion of the author, I move for the approval of Provincial Ordinance Number 2023-295 for third and final reading.
For those who are in favor, please raise your right hand. Mr. Secretary.
Your Honor, it appears that all members present voted in favor of the ordinance.
So Provincial Ordinance Number 2023-295 entitled an ordinance granting incentives and resolution of commendation to individuals who garnered the top 10 highest places in the board examination, bar examination, and other national licensure examinations is hereby approved for third and final reading, authored by the Honorable Christine Tingting S. Garin. Co-sponsored by all ASP members.